Waking up early is often associated with increased productivity, better mental health, and a more peaceful start to your day. But for many, consistently rising early can feel like an impossible challenge. In this video, we'll explore practical strategies to help you become an early riser, not just occasionally, but every single day. Whether you want more time for yourself, to exercise, or to get a head start on work, learning how to wake up early can transform your life. Let's begin by understanding the benefits and setting the right motivation for your journey. The first step to waking up early consistently is to set a clear and meaningful goal. Ask yourself why you want to wake up early. Is it to have quiet time, exercise, or get ahead on work? Defining your purpose gives you a reason to get out of bed, even when you're tempted to hit snooze. Write down your goal and keep it visible, perhaps on your nightstand or bathroom mirror. This constant reminder will help reinforce your commitment, especially on days when motivation is low. Trying to wake up 2 hours earlier overnight rarely works. Instead, make gradual adjustments to your wake-up time. Start by setting your alarm 15 minutes earlier each day or every few days. This slow shift allows your body and mind to adapt without feeling shocked or deprived of sleep. Over a week or two, you'll find it much easier to reach your target wake-up time. Remember, consistency is key, so stick with each new wake-up time for a few days before moving earlier. Waking up early starts the night before. Establishing a consistent bedtime helps regulate your internal clock, making it easier to rise early. Aim to go to bed at the same time every night, even on weekends. This routine signals to your body when it's time to wind down and prepares you for restful sleep. Over time, you'll find yourself waking up naturally, often before your alarm even goes off. A calming night routine signals to your body that it's time to sleep. This could include activities like reading, gentle stretching, or listening to soothing music. Avoid screens and bright lights at least 30 minutes before bed, as they can disrupt your natural sleep hormones. By winding down with relaxing activities, you'll fall asleep faster and enjoy deeper rest, making it easier to wake up early the next day. Caffeine can linger in your system for hours, making it harder to fall asleep at night. Try to avoid coffee, tea, or energy drinks in the afternoon and evening. Instead, opt for herbal teas or water. By reducing your caffeine intake later in the day, you'll improve your sleep quality, making it much easier to wake up early and feel refreshed. Your bedroom environment plays a big role in how well you sleep. Keep your room cool, dark, and quiet. Consider blackout curtains, earplugs, or a white noise machine if needed. Make sure your mattress and pillows are comfortable and supportive. A peaceful sleep environment helps you fall asleep faster and stay asleep longer, making those early mornings much more manageable. Eating large or heavy meals late at night can disrupt your sleep and make it harder to wake up early. Try to finish dinner at least 2 to 3 hours before bedtime. If you need a snack, choose something light and easy to digest. This small change can have a big impact on your sleep quality and morning energy levels. The blue light from phones, tablets, and computers can interfere with your body's natural sleep cycle. Try to limit screen time at least 30 minutes before bed. Instead, engage in relaxing activities like reading a book or journaling. This helps your mind unwind and prepares you for a restful night's sleep, making it easier to wake up early. Spend a few minutes each night preparing for the next day. Lay out your clothes, pack your bag, and make a to-do list. This reduces morning stress and gives you a clear purpose when you wake up. Knowing exactly what you need to do can make getting out of bed much easier and more motivating. Choose a wake-up time that's realistic for your lifestyle and commitments. Setting your alarm too early can lead to frustration and failure. Start with a time that's just a bit earlier than usual, and gradually adjust as you build the habit. Remember, the goal is consistency, not perfection. A simple trick to avoid hitting snooze is to place your alarm clock or phone across the room. This forces you to physically get out of bed to turn it off. Once you're up, it's much easier to stay up and start your day. This small change can make a big difference in your morning routine. Exposure to natural light in the morning helps regulate your body's internal clock. Open your curtains or blinds as soon as you wake up, or step outside for a few minutes. Sunlight signals to your brain that it's time to be alert and active, making it easier to shake off sleepiness. Hitting the snooze button can actually make you feel groggier. Each time you snooze, you start a new sleep cycle that you won't finish, leading to sleep inertia. Commit to getting up as soon as your alarm goes off. It might be tough at first, but your body will adjust over time, and mornings will become easier. After a night's sleep, your body is naturally dehydrated. Drinking a glass of water as soon as you wake up helps kickstart your metabolism and makes you feel more awake. Keep a water bottle or glass by your bedside so it's easy to remember this simple but effective habit. Physical activity in the morning, even just a few stretches or a short walk, can help you feel more alert and energized. Movement increases blood flow and signals to your body that it's time to start the day. Find a simple routine that works for you and make it part of your morning ritual. A nutritious breakfast provides the fuel your body and brain need to function at their best. Choose whole grains, fruits, and proteins to keep you full and focused. Skipping breakfast can leave you feeling sluggish and make it harder to maintain your early wake-up habit. Knowing exactly what you'll do after waking up removes decision fatigue and gives you a reason to get out of bed. Whether it's exercise, journaling, or reading, having a set plan helps you start your day with purpose and momentum. Keeping track of your wake-up times and how you feel each morning can be motivating. Use a journal or an app to log your progress. Celebrate small wins and notice patterns that help or hinder your success. Tracking helps you stay accountable and make adjustments as needed. Building a new habit is challenging, so reward yourself for sticking to your early wake-up routine. Treat yourself to a favorite breakfast, a relaxing activity, or some extra time for a hobby. Positive reinforcement makes it more likely you'll keep up the habit long-term. It's tempting to sleep in on weekends, but this can disrupt your sleep schedule and make it harder to wake up early during the week. Try to keep your wake-up time within an hour of your usual schedule, even on days off. This consistency helps reinforce your new habit. While a short nap can be refreshing, long or late naps can interfere with your ability to fall asleep at night. If you need to nap, keep it under 30 minutes and avoid napping late in the day. This helps ensure you're tired enough to fall asleep at your regular bedtime. High stress levels can make it difficult to fall asleep and wake up early. Practice stress management techniques like deep breathing, meditation, or gentle yoga before bed. A calm mind leads to better sleep and smoother mornings. Alcohol may make you feel sleepy, but it actually disrupts your sleep cycle and reduces sleep quality. Try to avoid drinking alcohol in the hours leading up to bedtime. Better sleep means easier mornings and more energy throughout the day. There are many apps and devices designed to help you wake up early. Smart alarms, sleep trackers, and gentle wake-up lights can all support your new routine. Experiment with different tools to find what works best for you, but remember not to rely solely on technology. Having someone to share your goals with can boost your motivation. Find a friend or family member who also wants to wake up early, and check in with each other regularly. This support system can make it easier to stick with your new habit, especially on tough days. Visualization is a powerful tool for habit change. Each night before bed, imagine yourself waking up early, feeling refreshed, and enjoying your morning routine. This mental rehearsal can make your goal feel more achievable and help you stay committed. Building a new habit takes time. Don't get discouraged if you slip up or have a rough morning. Focus on progress, not perfection. Each day is a new opportunity to improve and get closer to your goal of waking up early consistently. Life changes, and so should your routine. If you find that your current wake-up time isn't working, don't be afraid to adjust it. Listen to your body and make changes that support your health and well-being. Flexibility is key to long-term success. Waking up at the end of a sleep cycle, rather than in the middle, can help you feel more refreshed. Sleep cycles typically last about 90 minutes. Try to plan your bedtime so you wake up at the end of a cycle. There are apps and online calculators that can help you estimate the best times. It's not just about how long you sleep, but how well you sleep. Pay attention to how rested you feel in the morning. If you're still tired, look for ways to improve your sleep quality, such as adjusting your environment or bedtime routine. If you consistently struggle to fall asleep or wake up early despite your best efforts, you may have a sleep disorder. Conditions like insomnia or sleep apnea can make it difficult to maintain a healthy sleep schedule. If you suspect a problem, consult a healthcare professional for guidance. One of the best parts of waking up early is enjoying the peace and quiet before the world gets busy. Use this time for reflection, meditation, or simply enjoying a cup of coffee. These quiet moments can set a positive tone for your entire day. Stimulating activities like intense exercise, exciting TV shows, or heated discussions can make it harder to wind down at night. Try to keep your evenings calm and relaxing. This makes it easier to fall asleep and wake up early the next day. Let friends and family know about your new sleep schedule. Ask for their support in keeping noise down or respecting your bedtime. Setting boundaries helps you protect your routine and makes it easier to stick with your early wake-up habit. Take time each week to reflect on how your new routine is going. What's working well? What could be improved? Regular reflection helps you stay mindful and make adjustments that keep you moving forward. Every step forward is worth celebrating. Whether you've managed a week of early mornings or just one, acknowledge your progress. Celebrating milestones keeps you motivated and reminds you of how far you've come. Find sources of inspiration to keep your motivation high. Read books, watch videos, or follow people who embody the early riser lifestyle. Inspiration can help you push through tough days and stay committed to your goal. Whenever you feel your motivation slipping, revisit your original reason for wanting to wake up early. Remind yourself of the benefits and the positive changes you've experienced. Keeping your why in mind helps you stay focused and driven. Everyone's journey is different. Don't compare your progress to others. Focus on your own growth and celebrate your unique achievements. Comparison can lead to discouragement, so keep your attention on your personal goals. Your wake-up routine may need to change with the seasons. In winter, it might be harder to get up before sunrise, so consider using a wake-up light or adjusting your schedule slightly. Flexibility helps you maintain your habit year-round. Starting your day with gratitude can improve your mood and outlook. Take a moment each morning to reflect on what you're thankful for. This positive mindset can make waking up early something you look forward to. Find ways to make your mornings enjoyable. Play your favorite music, savor a delicious breakfast, or spend time on a hobby. When you look forward to your mornings, waking up early becomes much easier and more sustainable. Every so often, review your routine and see what's working and what's not. Don't be afraid to reset your approach if needed. Continuous improvement is the key to making your early wake-up habit last for the long term. As you stick with your new routine, you'll start to notice the many benefits of waking up early. More energy, better focus, and a sense of accomplishment will become part of your daily life. Remember, consistency is the secret to success. Keep going and enjoy all the positive changes that come with being an early riser.